Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. In today's video, you're going to see me and Josh get his truck ready to put on a stainless exhaust. When I got there, he had already taken off all of his stock exhaust, so we don't have that on camera, but you can check out Flake Garage, his YouTube channel. He covers how to take off a lot of the stock exhaust and the breather and the little metal tubes and stuff. So what you're going to see in this video is Josh and I cleaning up the exhaust side of the engine, removing the old studs, the exhaust studs, putting in the new exhaust studs, putting in new plug wires, a new cap, a new rotor, and putting on the exhaust and cranking it up. So without further ado, let's get to it.
All right, guys, we're back here at the shop working on the new little Mazda project I picked up here not too long ago. We did the clutch, pressure plate and throwout bearing, and the pilot bearing in the last episode. We had to cut the exhaust off because it was all stopped up. It wouldn't even run. Then I ordered a header. So we're going to put that on.
Do you remember where you picked that up from?
ZNTS Wholesale. It's one of them places they sell everything.
Okay.
And they had like 21 of these available. Okay. It's got the header and the little collector Y pipe there. It's got your O2 sensor is plugged off. Yep. It comes with your clamp for that and the bolts for your collector in there. Yep. It also comes with, and we're going to try it, it comes with this gasket. Right. I'm keeping the old gasket, the original gasket, because if this fails, we're going to go back to stock. Right.
Good deal, good deal. I see you got all this old stuff chopped out.
Got my old manifold off here. That thing's heavy.
Yes, it is.
Good Lord. I think that's half the weight of the truck.
Yep.
I also ripped off my plug wires. Here's a good idea.
Okay.
Follow all your plug wires and write your firing order down, and then mark. Right. I don't know, you might not be able to see it, but I did put a little Sharpie line on the number 1 plug. Right. And then you can just follow around.
1342. Yep. You know, a lot of people, when they do the plug wires, they'll do them one at a time and keep up with the length and all, but that's if you pull them all off at once, that's what you want to do. You want to mark your number 1, you want to know your firing order so you can put your 1 on and your 3rd and 2, 4 and all that. Yep, yep.
So I've got new plug wires, I've got a new cap, I've got a new rotor button, I've got new spark plugs, I've got a new fuel filter. What else do I got over there? I think that's all I got for right now. Just going to try to do a little tune-up with the header and see if we can't get it to run a little better. I think we're going to do a lot of the vacuum hose delete, but for now I'm going to run the original carburetor that came on it. Right. Until I can get me a Weber later on and see if we can't get some of this stuff to get the truck to run a little better.
That sounds clean. I like that. Gotta get our studs in.
Well, the nuts are on.
Oh, they're on the other deal. Just a little test fit.
Don't put on fine, damn, I got one in hand.
Pull a dispute.
Manipulation on the dipping stick, because it's.
Oh yeah.
Oh, there we go. All right.
pull it to get it
So I'm having to trim my new exhaust studs. They just look prettier than these.
I would put all new in there, all
Mhm.
6. Bought them, so.
Well, and the new nuts that came with the new studs are locking nuts. So they're locking exhaust nuts. So when they get, of course, right there,
Oh, okay.
they're going to lock on. So they're not going to back off.
Yeah. How does that work? Dang.
The tips is crimped in.
Those 3. Yeah,
Yeah.
right there.
Yep,
Oh,
there goes the
Lord.
light.
So we're all mounted up. And what's a tiny one?
Yeah.
Some guys talk about clearance issues. I can't get my, let's get it down in there. But, I mean, from up top, we can't see any clearance issue. I mean, nothing hitting. But on the automatic trans, there may be something where it does protrude and hit on the header. And sometimes we've just said to beat on it a little bit. But I don't think Jason had that trouble with his.
Everything sounded pretty good for just a header. We did a little more in this video, but the video ran a little long. Right after we did the header, we moved on into the carburetor and took all of the emission lines and stuff off of it, and vacuum capped everything so that he could run the stock carburetor for a good while until he gets a Weber. Some of you have asked, can it be done?
Yep.
So we did it, and it's all on film. So tune in to the next video for all the rest of that. Every little thing we do makes the truck run a little better. This is Josh's project, so if you'd like to see more of this project as it develops, please subscribe to the channel. If you like the video, give it a big thumbs up. Thanks for watching.